Hi, welcome to my channel. I have a few new items that I've recently purchased over the last month or so that I want to share with you. But before I get started, it's been a little while since I've uploaded a video, so I just wanted to take a moment out to thank all of my subscribers for your continued support. Also, if you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoy this video. So if you've noticed, I have a little bit of a different setup today. I found out today that my laptop is broken. It was working last night, but of course I decided to film a video today and my laptop is not working. So I'm filming on my iPhone right now, and I actually have it sitting in my wax warmer tray, which is a weird setup, but I'm going to try to make it work for now because I really wanted to get a video out. So, okay, and also before I get started, please excuse my sniffling. I have a sinus infection right now. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first items that I'm showing you are from YSL Cosmetics. This is my first YSL Cosmetics purchase, and I was super excited to be able to try these items out when YSL had a 20% off sale. So if you're interested in trying YSL Cosmetics and you don't want to pay full price, maybe sign up for their emails so you can be notified when they have their next sale. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open this box. It is a magnetic box, and the first item that I'm showing is the Touch Eclat. I don't know how to pronounce that. It is the all-in-one glow tinted moisturizer, and I am loving this moisturizer. It is very lightweight, but it does give my skin a healthy, glowy, smooth look, which I love. And I do wear it on its own at times, but then when I want more of a full coverage, I will wear it underneath my foundation, and I just love the way it makes my skin look. The number that I have is number B70, and it does have a pump applicator, which I love because it allows, to use less product. So that is my YSL Tinted Moisturizer. The next item that I have to show is a lipstick that I purchased from YSL, and I can't even see the number on here. Number 340 is what it is. I'm pretty sure that it has a name, but I don't remember the name of this color. It is a neutral everyday color. I wanted something that I could wear all the time because YSL lipsticks are not cheap. I wanted to make sure I got good use out of this lipstick, and as you can see, it does have the YSL engraving on the sides, and it's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful color. Please excuse my nails, I need a manicure. But anyway, I'm loving this lipstick, and that's that. And also, I do have my name engraved on the back, so if you order a lipstick from YSL, you do have the option of getting engraving on the lipsticks, which is really nice. And also to mention, they do have a point system, so when you purchase from YSL.com, you can earn points to get free items, so make sure you sign up for that if you purchase from YSL.com. The next item that I have to show is the stick foundation. Now this foundation has absolutely spoiled me. I am loving the logo on the front, and it's so easy to apply, and as I've gotten older, my skin is getting drier, so I have found that this moisturizes my skin and gives me a flawless look, and I love this foundation. I will definitely be repurchasing this foundation, and this is also in the color B70. And I've been using this for a month now, and it did have the YSL logo on the top, but this is a very nice foundation, and I can highly recommend this one. Alright, the next item that I'm showing is the blurring primer. I haven't tried this one out yet, but I'm excited to try that out. So, that's that. Also, if you do want a gift box when you order online, the gift boxes are extra $5. They don't come with the purchase. The next item that I'm showing is from Lancôme. Oh, I was super excited to find this at Dillard's. It retails for, I believe, $140, but I found it for $34, and so I had to snatch it up. And there were 2 left when I found this, and I wish I had have grabbed the other one, but I didn't. So, regret that. But came in this box, and this is the Multi-Action Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Lifting and Firming Moisturizer. So I am loving this, and I've been using this for over a month now. Let me see if I can open this up. Well, let me see. And it doesn't take very much. Like I said, I've been using this for over a month now, and I've used very little of this product, and it makes my skin feel so smooth. And I will definitely repurchase this, hopefully on sale, but I will definitely repurchase this. And I love the fact, oh, also this one is for daytime use, and I love the fact that it has the sunscreen in it. This is my favorite from the line, and this is the Regenerate Lift Multi-Action Eye Cream. And I feel like after 3 days of use, I could see a visible difference in the lines under my eyes. So I'm loving this product. Definitely seeing results from this line of products. The next product is the Regenerate Lift Multi-Action. Oh, I can't read that. What does it say? It's so small. It's a night cream. And I'm loving that also. And then also day and night, you use the Lancôme Balenciaga drops underneath the day cream and underneath the night cream, and it only takes a few drops, so I can see this lasting me for quite a while. So I am actually spoiled to using this now. I was using Pond's face cream, but I felt like I needed a little something more as my skin is aging. So that is that. The next item that I have to show is from Gucci, and I actually ordered this item before all the controversy. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it, but I decided to keep it, and to be honest, I absolutely love this item. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box. And of course it came with the ribbon, the Gucci ribbon. And I ordered the belt. And then I just have all of my paperwork and tags in there. It had 2 pamphlets in there for Gucci, and then it had a tag on it. So that's the tag that came with the belt. And I actually store it the way that it came to prevent scratching. And see if I can take this out. Like I said, I am not used to this filming setup, so excuse me if I'm out of frame. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love this belt. Oh my goodness, I love this belt. In my opinion, the leather is very delicate, so I have to be very careful because it does scratch very easily. But other than that, I love it. And when I ordered this, they didn't have my size, so I ordered a hole puncher from Amazon, and I measured and punched my own holes in the belt. It's super long, but my weight fluctuates a lot, so I had no problem with it being a size bigger. So, and this is actually, which hole did I punch? Oh, this is actually the hole that I punched in it. So, but that is my Gucci belt. And now I'm loving it so much, I actually think I want the brown one. But we'll see. We will see. See if I can get a close-up. Oh my goodness, that is so gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous belt. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can. I'm loving it. Alright, I'm gonna take a second to put this up. Give me 1 second. Like I said, I have to be very gentle with it because it can scratch easily. Luckily don't have any scratches on it, but I can tell the leather is very delicate. Oh, and also it came with a bag. It was pretty bent up. Let me back up. The bag was pretty bent up when I got it, but I've been trying to flatten it out. But it was nice that it came with a bag. My next purchase, also from Gucci, is a pair of eyeglasses. I recently found out that I need bifocals. So I was like, well, if I need bifocals, I might as well have bifocals in style, right? So, open the case, and that's what the case looks like. And these are my Gucci eyeglasses that I absolutely love. So, yep. If I'm gonna be blind, I'm gonna be blind in style, right? Love them. Alright, so the next item, also, it came with the dust bag. Here's the dust bag, what it looks like, and it was wrinkled when I got it, but that's it. Alright, the next item that I purchased, we'll have to see which one this is. I actually have 2 purchases from matchesfashion.com. Let me see. Oh, these are the Prada shoes. So I ordered a pair of Prada shoes. Let me go ahead and take those out. Hold on, I'm trying to adjust this camera. Okay. Oh, I'm not even sure if I can get these in the frame correctly. Let me see. Hopefully I can figure out what's going on with my laptop and film the way I've been filming. But anyway, I am loving this Prada box. Loving these Pradas. Okay. Let's see. These were highly discounted. That is the reason why I purchased them. If you see me unbox anything on my channel, it's going to be on sale, and more than likely at least 70% off sale on most occasions when it comes to clothes, bags, and shoes. Okay, so these are my Prada slides, and I don't know the name. What is the name of these slides? Hold on 1 second. These are the Donna. Anyway, you can read it. And these were purchased from matchesfashion.com. And I don't remember the price of them, but as you can see, they are 40 and a half. I wear a size 10, and I bought half a size up. I probably could have gone with the 40, but I've tried Prada shoes in the past, and I've noticed that they were half a size small. But these actually fit true to size, so if you find these, I would say get your true size in these. And they are velvet, and they are gorgeous. I'm not going to open the other one. It's exactly the same. And it also comes with a dust bag. 2 dust bags, I'm sorry. And that's what the dust bags look like. Okay. The next item that I purchased is also from matchesfashion.com, and this box is super huge. Let me see. I might not even have it on the right side. Let me turn it around. Yeah. Okay. So, whoa. Okay. All right. So that's how it comes. And I ordered another pair of shoes. These are Balenciagas. I'm going to go ahead and move this big box out the way because I just don't have enough room in the frame of my phone for for this big box, and it did come with the receipt. So, but it didn't have the price in any of my receipts, so I don't remember how much I paid for these. But I can tell you they were highly discounted. So that is the Balenciaga box, and these are the Sandal Pels Goma Napa. They are leather, and I know they are soft. I haven't worn any of these shoes yet. Of course, the weather hasn't been warm enough yet, but I'm excited to be able to wear these shoes. And it does come with a dust bag. It says Balenciaga. And these are the shoes that I ordered. So, and I love them. Like I said, I haven't worn them yet, and that's how the bottom looks. And they are super soft. If you can see, the leather is really nice on these shoes. So, that's it. I do have some other items, but I had planned on doing a lookbook, but since I don't have my laptop to edit, I'll have to figure out how I'm going to do that. Oh, and let me show you, well, those are kind of dirty, but here's the bottom of the PRADAs. They're a little bit dirty, but anyway, so that is it. That is all I have to show for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.